from Tamil Nadu, Chief Minister Stalin has unveiled the Tamil Nadu education policy, and he has said that he is happy releasing the state education policy. He said that it will be a two-language policy formula on which the government is firm. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister said that it will be education for all and no place for regressive ideas. That's what he has said. The move comes amidst the three-language policy row that has escalated between the state and centre. Let's get in Uma Sudhir for all the very latest as far as this story is concerned. Over to you, Uma. Fill us in with the very latest on this big story.
So Tamil Nadu has consistently opposed the national education policy, and they have called it as anti-social justice, and have also said that it is about imposition of Hindi, and therefore the main elements of the state education policy for schools is that one, that you will not have a three-language formula which talks about a local language, a Hindi language and an English language. Instead, Tamil Nadu, as always, wants to focus only on English and on the local language, which is Tamil, because they believe that it is important for the students in Tamil Nadu to be familiarized with Tamil, and they do not see the necessity for Hindi to be, as they call it, imposed. The second important part of it is that, like in the case of the NEET exam, in which Tamil Nadu has been consistently saying that we do not want a common entrance exam for admission to medical seats. Similarly, for all undergraduate courses, they believe that class 11 and 12 marks are sufficient and you do not need a common entrance exam. The other one is about the public exams that we are talking about, and they say that public exams for class 3, 5 and 8 is going to add stress to the students, and it is also going to be actually leading to more commercialization of education in terms of more coaching classes as well, and therefore that is not something that they want to promote at all. All this is of course politically very sensitive, because Tamil Nadu has taken a stand against the alleged imposition of Hindi, and that's something that will be very sensitive in the run-up to the elections as well. Three things more that I must point out about the state education policy is that while they are saying that class 11 and 12 marks are sufficient, they do not want to allow the culture of coaching classes to dominate. They also want to say that they will be promoting things like artificial intelligence, critical thinking, and the language skills along with science education. And they believe that we do not need regressive policies. The state government has also been talking about moving the education from to the state list, so that each state is able to tailor-make the syllabus or the program of education for these students according to its own requirement and its own cultural necessities that it believes that needs to be focused upon as well. Back to you.